Do you feel like your soul is calling for a fresh start? A deeper connection to your inner peace, clarity, and joy? In this video, I'm sharing a step-by-step emotional wellness ritual called Reset Your Life from the Soul. It's a gentle yet powerful practice to reconnect with your essence, release emotional blocks, and realign with your true path. Physically, mentally, and spiritually. Number 1. Morning Ritual of Reconnection, 15 to 30 minutes a day. Start your day with purpose and peace, not stress. This 3-part ritual rewires your nervous system and reawakens your soul. Conscious breathing 5 to 10 minutes. Practice the Wim Hof method, deep, rhythmic breaths followed by short breath holds. It balances your parasympathetic system, reduces anxiety, and sharpens mental clarity. Feel your body come alive from the inside out. Gratitude More Vision Journaling, 5 minutes. Write down 3 things you're grateful for today. Then, affirm your dream life. I am living a life of freedom, love, and abundance. Your words are planting seeds of transformation. Mindful movement, 10 to 15 minutes. Stretch your body with gentle yoga, flowing qigong, or a walk in nature. Movement in the morning grounds your energy and opens your heart. 2. Cold showers or ice baths, 3 to 5 minutes. Have you ever felt like your mind was racing? Your energy drained? Or your body just needed a deep reset? There's a method that's helped millions around the world feel more alive, focused, and resilient, and it's surprisingly simple. It's called the Wim Hof method. Developed by a Dutch man known as the Iceman. Wim Hof created this practice to naturally strengthen the body, calm the mind, and activate our inner power, using nothing but the breath, the cold, and our own focus. Let me break it down. Pillar 1, Conscious Breathing. It starts with your breath. You take 30 to 40 deep, rhythmic breaths. Inhaling fully through the nose or mouth. And gently exhaling without forcing. After the last exhale, you hold your breath, no air in the lungs, and stay in that stillness. Until your body tells you it's time to breathe again. Then, you take a deep inhale. Hold it for about 15 seconds. And release. You repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times. This breathing technique floods your body with oxygen, reduces stress, sharpens your focus, and creates a deep inner calm. So if you're feeling the call to reset your system, quiet your mind, and feel more alive, the Wim Hof method is a beautiful place to start. Just your breath, the cold, and the power already inside you. Want a guided session? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tools like this for your body, mind, and soul. 3. Sacred Silence and Digital Detox. Your nervous system needs quiet. Your soul needs stillness. Disconnect from screens for at least 1 hour per day, especially before bed. Choose 1 day per week without social media, reconnect with you. Create a sacred space at home, light candles, place crystals, burn incense, bring in plants. Let this be your refuge of calm. 4. Emotional and conscious eating, a deeper connection with food. Food isn't just fuel. It's energy. It's emotion. It's connection to your body, your roots, and your present moment. When we shift from eating on autopilot to eating with awareness, everything changes. Our digestion improves, our cravings soften, and food becomes a sacred act of nourishment. Step 1. Reduce foods that drain your energy. We all love a snack now and then, and that's okay. But it's important to notice how some foods may taste good in the moment, yet leave us feeling tired, bloated, or foggy later. Try to minimize ultra-processed foods, like packaged snacks, instant noodles, frozen meals. Fried and greasy food, think fast food, chips. Refined sugar, sodas, candy, sugary cereals. Example, instead of reaching for a sugary donut in the morning, try a smoothie with banana, almond milk, chia seeds, and spinach. Your body will thank you with sustained energy and mental clarity. Step 2. Choose foods that nourish you. Give your body the building blocks it truly needs. Choose foods that are close to nature, colorful, alive, and rich in nutrients. Add more. Fresh fruits, like berries, apples, mango, papaya. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, arugula. Seeds and healthy fats, chia, flax, pumpkin seeds, avocado. Pure, clean water, drink between meals to stay hydrated. Example, swap a processed snack bar for a handful of almonds and a sliced pear. Simple, natural, satisfying, and full of life force energy. Step 3. Practice mindful eating. This is where the magic happens. Eating mindfully means no screens at the table, turn off the phone, close the laptop, pause the TV. Take a moment to breathe before your first bite. Chew slowly. Savor the flavors. Notice textures. Be present with your food, your body, and your emotions. Example, next time you eat lunch, sit in silence. Take a deep breath. Look at your food with gratitude. Then, take your first bite slowly, and truly taste it. You'll feel more satisfied, even with less. Every bite is an act of self-love. You deserve to feel nourished. You deserve to feel clear, grounded, and energized. And it begins with the way you feed yourself, not just with food, but with intention. So next time you prepare a meal or take a bite, ask yourself, backhand index pointing right, am I feeding my body with love? Or just filling a gap? When you choose presence over autopilot, food becomes a daily ritual of connection to your body, your soul, and your highest self. 5. Transformational retreats and solo journeys. Sometimes, to hear your soul clearly, you need distance. Attend a silent meditation retreat, a nature immersion, or a soulful women's or men's circle. Take a solo trip to connect with your essence. Journal, rest, walk, cry, laugh. If you feel called, consider a therapeutic retreat with integrative healing or sacred plant medicine, always guided by trusted professionals. 6. Redefine your purpose with soulful questions. Ask these during journaling or nature walks. What makes me feel truly alive? What am I ready to let go of, once and for all? What version of me is ready to be reborn? What do I want to say yes to with all my heart? These questions open portals of truth. 7. Soul-led relationships and boundaries. Your energy is sacred. Protect it. Surround yourself with people who uplift, inspire, and expand your light. Practice healthy boundaries without guilt. Let go of relationships that dim your spirit. Have conversations that matter. Speak from the heart. Daily mantra, today, I choose myself. I honor my process, trust life's timing, and open my heart to live with soul, love, and abundance. If this ritual resonated with your heart, give it a try for 7 days and watch what shifts. Sparkles like, comment, and subscribe to support this soul-led community. Speech balloon, which part of your soul are you ready to awaken? Let's walk this path together, one breath, one ritual, one loving choice at a time.